Coach Miranda Miner, YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button for you to be updated sa lahat ng aking mga live sessions. I do actually do live charting sessions every 5 o'clock ng hapon Manila time or 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time sa New York. And then we also do upload daily videos for your information. So, and right now, I'd just like to congratulate each and every one of you dahil we already have almost 6,000 plus. Yeah, 6,000 plus almost subscribers. And thank you so much for your support and love to the team, Coach Team Miranda Miner, Profitable Groups, ating Facebook group as well. We already have almost 2,200 plus subscribers in less than 5 days. Thank you so much. And I'm always going to be here to support all of you. So, our topic for today is about Cardano, or what we call ADA or ADA in our ticker, in our, Binance ticker. And obviously, I'm sure alam niyo ang Cardano because we have been talking about this currency for quite some time, no? Cardano is actually ADA or Cardano. It's a Cardano infrastructure. And then so far, for the past couple of 7 days, no, Cardano's already grown 24.78%. Today, it has actually grown 2.28% in the market circulation of almost 31 billion. 31 billion ADA in the supply, and of course around $4 billion in terms of volume, or 4 billion in terms of volume, right? And really good, no? Really good performance so far of this particular chart. And candle performance, price right now is 1.74. And then, obviously, if you look into the news today from Cardano, diniscuss natin ito sa ating what are the altcoins to buy on May 2021. And then, I hope you were able to watch that because a lot of the coins na diniscuss natin doon, like altcoins such as Ethereum. Ethereum already again broke all-time high of almost $4,300. When I discussed it last week, it was only $3,400, right? And then XRP, right? And then ADA, and then Dogecoin. We also discussed Matic. No, we also discussed Matic, Polygon Matic. Let's go quickly there. We discussed XRP. We discussed Binance Coin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano. We also discussed Solana is also there. We also have a video on that. Shiba Inu we discussed is already top 20 right now. Really congratulations to Shiba Inu. And then we also discussed the Tron network, right? Discuss din natin yan. And then AAV and Polygon Matic. These are the top 2 up-and-coming tokens and coins that you need to watch out for, no, this coming May and onwards, no. If you have not watched my video yet, please go to my playlist, and I will also put the links in this video para makita ninyo about AAV, Polygon. What are the altcoins to invest this May 2021? Okay. And then so far, when we look at the Cardano blockchain review, this is published just today. This is a very new story. Sabi dito, I am bullish on Cardano. Too long did not read TLDR. I do not take my words as financial advice, right? So all of these, this particular author is actually very bullish in Cardano. Let's look at what does he want to say. Sabi niya dito, Cardano was funded through a US $62.2 million initial coin offering. So tatandaan niyo yan guys na kapag legit ang isang coin, they would do an initial coin offering where it will be funded, no? Para kailangan niya initial funding or na seed capital para magkaroon ng value yung coin mo, no? And then obviously it's actually founded by a guy called Charles Hoskinson, a former co-founder of BitShares and Ethereum. So ganyan lang naman sila eh. So they founded Ethereum. Yung isang co-founder ng Ethereum, naglagay naman siya ng sarili niyang coin which is yung karoon siya ng Shiba Inu, right? Which is actually 50% ng wallet ng Shiba Inu nasa sa kanya. Co-founder siya ng Ethereum, diba? So, they have that level of knowledge already on how to kind of further expand, on more commercial, more businesses within the coin space, no? Yan, so which means na very, very solid yan because you have the co-founder of Ethereum who put together this particular coin. And then, so it has a well-rounded founding partners. So I wanted to discuss with you the fundamentals of this particular coin. So let's go through this, no? And then on a technology front, yan, ang laki ng ecosystem. Let's click on the ecosystem map right now, no? Okay, from an ecosystem map standpoint, look at that, no? So they have their own create and promote space, right? They have their own they have their own different types of different types of partners, right, within their ecosystem. They have Solidity. You know this. Solidity is a programming language within Ethereum. Alam niyo yan, learn and build, no? Adapulse, Cardano, right? Haskell is the programming language of Cardano within the Cardano platform. So they have the learn and build. This is going to be for the developers and the miners. They have their exchange. Obviously you have your Coinbase, you have your Binance, you have your Bitpanda, you have your Kraken, that Bitfinex. These are the exchanges right now, no? And then, which means that they're actually okay to be traded within this exchange. So that's really good, no? They could be traded in Qcoin, in Bitfinex or Bitfinex, Bittrex, right? They also have Connect and Cooperate, right? So they have all of these partner establishments to be able to promote their products, right? And they also have their universities such as Research and Innovate. So really, really, really good partnerships with so many big platforms, no? So they also have their Cardano's for profit arm, and they also have their non-profit foundation for Cardano, no? So okay, so they're actually they're growing in a very steady pace, no? We'll not discuss the delegation cycle. This is just more of the programming language and the tokenomics of ADA. And then sabi niya nito, why am I bullish in Cardano? Sabi niya kasi, I consider ADA as one of my safe bets because its performance shows stability and certainty. We will look at the chart mamaya-maya. Tapusin lang natin tong fundamental analysis ng Cardano. Bakit sobrang tatag niya, no? Throughout the many years, no? So you need to be able to look into many aspects of the coin. Huwag kang basta-basta papasok sa mga bagong, pre-sale na coin, etc. Kailangan alamin mo yung kanyang ecosystem. I also discussed with you ano yung Solana ecosystem, ha. I'd look at my Solana video para makita ninyo yan. Okay? And then of course, we also need to discuss nagkaroon sila ng initial coin offering, and right now the total market capitalization of ADA, which is $44 billion. Grabe, parang mas malaki pa sila sa isang company. Actually, guys, just as you know, ha, Ethereum right now is bigger than the company called Visa. Okay? Ethereum is bigger than a company called Visa, right? And sobrang lalaki na ng mga companies na to, and because of their market capitalization, right? In 44 billion market cap, my God, sinong kumpanya sa US ngayon ng ganyang kalaking market capitalization? Right? They're already part of the Fortune 500 companies, no? That's why ang daming nag-i-embrace ng coin na to, no? Okay, so let's quickly go on the charts, no? Couple of things you need to consider, okay? On this particular chart, meron siyang ascending triangle pattern, which is a bullish continuation pattern, no? So what's happening right now, kasi it's actually forming this particular, let's draw a horizontal line. This one, right? Look at that one. And then it's actually also forming a, let's look at the trend pattern, It's actually forming a very strong support on this line. Support box within this line, right? So what does that mean, no? It has a very strong support already at 0.9 and 1.1, no? So 1, 2, tatlong beses nag-retest ng support, right? Almost 1, you have 2, okay? And then you have 3. Actually, dito rin, no? Almost a little bit of testing here, no? And all of them actually bounce back, no? And then this is a very, very strong resistance na basag niya. Kaya tumuloy-tuloy siya pataas. So, very bullish continuation, no? And then, when this particular coin broke the 1.48 resistance, tumuloy-tuloy na siya pataas, no? Tumuloy-tuloy na siya pataas. Actually, 1.5 yan, 1.5 level to be just the median of these 3 resistances, no? And then we look into, so 1, 2, second resistance, and then the third resistance, right? And then yung 1.5 level could be a new support. We'll see. No, it could be another area of support. Another area is to make sure that I hope it still form a higher high candle, but it looks like it's going to be forming a higher low candle within this range. So where to enter, pag ganito, very bullish, no? This resistance could be your new support. But because let's say andito pa rin tayo, let's look for the 4 hours, no? Look at the 4 hours, right? So yan. Iiwasan nyo lagi kapag ang coin na to bumaba sa 1.5, bubulusok yan pababa. And this is a very scary candle. Maraming na-liquidate dyan when you're buying long, no? Kasi very, very bullish siya, biglang bumaba right? But despite that, it's still forming a very bullish direction, no? Pataas siya right? And then when we look into this particular candle, no? So what I can say is, here's what you need to do, no? So look at the trend line. Let's do a parallel channel. Let's go sa pinaka this one, no? Let's look at this one and this one. Okay. So wag lang siyang bibigay dito sa resistance na to, sa support na to. This one is a fluke for me. Wag lang siyang bumigay sa at the 1.69 level. This could further go down, no? That's gonna be your first support, okay? Pag nag-bounce dyan, pasok. Okay? Pag nag-bounce sa around 1.69 level, and then this is gonna be a very strong support. Malalim na to, 1.5. Malalim na yan. Pero pag naabot niya yan, and bumaba pa siya sa line na yan, huwag ka munang pumasok. It could further go down. Ang dami niya kasing binasag na, marami na siyang binasag na old resistance, new support dyan. Okay? And then, it's actually forming another bullish pattern here. Medyo may pagka bullish flag pennant na siya. Pero let's look at this one further. Actually, ito din, no? So, nagkaroon siya dito ng breakout within this particular candle. Right? Tumaas. Okay. And then, aside from that, huwag ka munang pumasok. Let's look at this one. This is actually becoming a good support line, no? Let's go for horizontal line. So this particular box is becoming a very strong support line for this one. Okay? So temporary psychological support yan. So your first defense is pag mag-bounce sa 1.59, mag-bounce siya dyan. Okay? And then bounce on, meaning bounce, ibig sabihin ko ng bounce, guys, ang ibig sabihin ng bounce is when you look at this arrow, kapag tumuloy-tuloy yan dito, pero bumalik pataas, right? It would test this particular support. Or this could bumaba yan dito, then test sa another, magtitest yan ng support like that, right? So 1.5 and 1.59 ang potential entry point bounce on support, okay? And of course, pwede mo rin lagyan pag ikaw yung nagde-day trading or you are actually doing a actually good din ng volume, no? If you're actually doing a, let's say, scalping, then of course use my strategy, use the Halmachi strategy. Let's quickly do that, no? Let's go to the lower time frame. Go to the 3 minutes. Okay. Ayan, 3 minutes. Tapos lagyan natin ng, let's remove this one, we were able to, remember meron tayong red and black, no? Ito yung ating resistance and ito yung support natin kanina, correct? So, natatandaan nyo? Okay, so dapat hindi tayo mag-scalp pag na-reach na itong level na to, no? So, what we will need to do is to enter. We'll do in Alma and Emma and CCI. Okay? So, CCI is default, right? And then we go with, let's remove the volume. Let's go on. So Alma should be 20.8 and 8. And then Emma should be close and should be 9. Okay? Right. Let's look on maximizing this one. Yan. Okay. Alright. Nakita nyo guys. So let's look at Alma here. Gawin natin siyang malaki. Then Emma should be okay. Then let's put Argel orange. Okay. Rule is Emma should cross over Alma. So the orange, nakita nyo to guys, this is a very good indicator. No? Ayan. Nakita nyo yan. So, nag-crossover. Ayan. Nag-crossover dito sa CCI negative 100. Nag-crossover si Emma kay Alma. Tingnan nyo yung nangyari sa candle. Tumaas, diba? Right? This is a very, very good Halmachi candle. Okay? So, sabi natin dito, gatin ng text. Emma close. Process from below pataas si Alma. And CCI negative 100 crossing. Right? So, naka 3 minutes ka, pasok sa candle na to. Right? Pasok sa candle na to, this one. Right? And then 1, 2, 3, pangatlong candle, benta na. Okay, laki na ng kinita mo dyan. Right? So, short price range. From here ka pumasok sa intersection na yan. Here, pangatlong candle, that's already 0.99. Pang-apat, 1.14. Pang-lima, 1.6. Pang-anim, 1.88%. Diba? So, isn't that a very good indicator for you? Diba? So, you know, if you learned something today, please comment down below. I learned something today. Right? And continue to journal your learnings, ha? Okay? Continue to journal your learnings. And you know, use guys, for me, ADA is a really, really good altcoin to invest long term. But if you wanted to do, you know, scalping, you know, you need to follow this strategy, which is what I've taught today. Marami pa akong strategies na tinuro for you to learn and for you to earn, no? So go back to my channel lang. I have a playlist for advanced traders that you could use. And then, I discussed already the fundamental. I discussed the technical. Na ngayon naman, mental. Ano sabihin ng mental? Analysis. Discipline, execution. Right? Pag pinalaan mo, that's when you trade. Right? You don't trade things that you did not plan. Right? You don't trade things that you did not plan. Okay? So, you need to remember that. Okay? Because Coach Miranda Miner loves all of you. Okay? So more to come on this. Thank you very much for your support. And guys, ADA is another coin to watch out for. And of course, still put your stop losses, okay? Alright, with that said, Coach Miranda Miner loves all of you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Thank you.